Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Ahmed Al-Gindi. Welcome to Canadian University Dubai, Department of Electrical Engineering. Let me introduce you to some of our Mechatronics students and discover their projects.
Hi, my name is Jane, and we're currently working on our autonomously navigated vehicle project, which is made up of multiple systems that work consistently while also operating on solar power efficiently. With this project, we have revolutionized transportation systems, making them more efficient, sustainable, and accessible to everyone.
See, the IEEE student branch is very active.
As an IEEE member, students will have the chance to showcase their work, enhance their critical thinking, and prepare for future careers in technology and engineering.
Hi, my name is Namal, and I choose Mechatronics because it's a multidisciplinary program where I learn robotics, automation, and electronics.
My name is Mira. I joined Mechatronics because I enjoy hands-on projects and learning by doing.
If you want to know more about Mechatronics program, visit us at our City Walk campus or check our website.